Hello, Marva. Marva, me hear you answer the phone. Marva, me hear you answer the phone. You know the backgrounds. Yeah, Marva, how small if you pinch me and tell me say Maureen I get first draw. Marva, how small if you pinch me and tell me say Maureen I get first draw. Maureen no buy no buffet at courts. The only thing Maureen know about courts are oats. The closest thing Maureen ever come to courts are oats. I'm ask Purdy in beg and make it buffet. I tell you want first draw to pay for courts. Maureen know courts. The only thing Maureen know about courts are oats. Marva. Me tell you.
You work? What you mean nothing now go on? If you not work, nothing now go on, Mr. D. If you don't have a job, how are you going to get paid? Is either you have a boss or you are the boss. But it has to be one of them. You can't do woman now do nothing and you expect say you're going to make money. You have to start something. You have to start something in a carrot, small, one cocoa full basket. You know chicken foot that me used to sell. A lot of people don't know them something. You see, sweetie, me used to sell that at school for eat. Me used to walk with my little bag of sweetie and sell. So I could have make my little lunch money because my mother never have it for give me. So start from somewhere, no care how small it is. You know, must become an artist, you know, must become a celebrity. But look how much different opportunities there where you can start from. And a lot of people, no found no love say, oh, no, not have the start up, the capital in this, oh, no, not have the money to start up the business. There's so many jobs.
Big up me, cause some people big up some people and now big them up. No girl no more than me. You have to have two pussy for more than me. Anytime a girl present themselves with two pussy, then you're more than one pussy. Watch nice.
Hey, story time people. So a while ago, Zane, me there in the dollar store and me I talk on the phone with one of my friends them in a patois. So this white girl behind me, oh my god, your accent is so exotic and so romantic. Where you from? So I say, I'm from Jamaica. She say, I know Jamaica. What part of Jamaica? I'm like, Clarendon. She say, I know Clarendon. That's like the capital of St. Mary, right? I'm going to say, yeah, the capital of St. Mary. So she asked me, your accent is so romantic. Can you tell me like a romantic poem? And I said to her, yeah, this is a very romantic poem that all of us learn in infant school in Jamaica. I'm look on her and say, Maski the one, Maski the two, Maski the rump in a hascalaloo. Baby they walk, baby they talk, baby they eat with knife and fork. Ground dove brown and blue bud blue. But not in the prettier than a thrancro like you. She said, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hello, Marva. Marva, me hear you answer the phone. Marva, me hear you answer the phone. You know the backgrounds. Yeah, Marva, how small if you pinch me and tell me say Maureen I get first draw. Marva, how small if you pinch me and tell me say Maureen I get first draw. Maureen no buy no buffet at courts. The only thing Maureen know about courts are oats. The closest thing Maureen ever come to courts are oats. I'm ask Purdy in beg and make it buffet. I tell you want first draw to pay for courts. Maureen know courts. The only thing Maureen know about courts are oats. Marva. Me tell you.